What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be doing a quick and easy, effortless, everyday glam sort of look, and we're going to be testing out the new CoverGirl Clean Fresh collection. I mean, this stuff looks so cute. I am so excited to dig in. And I'm really excited for this video because, like, honestly, when you guys see me on camera, like, I'm all glam and like dolled up and like have a full face of makeup on, but like on the daily, that is not what I look like. I really do like minimal, easy, fresh makeup looks, like if anything at all. Like most times this is like the kind of makeup that I'm wearing. Quick, easy, done, out the door sort of situation. So I'm really excited to be doing something a little bit different. Not that it's not going to be glam, but it's just going to be easy and effortless and really beautiful. So I can't wait to test out these new products. I want to thank CoverGirl for partnering with me on today's video and sending me out these products to use today. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to go in with is probably what I'm most excited for about in this collection. This is the Clean Fresh Skin Milk. This is supposed to be sheer to light coverage, give you a nice dewy finish to your skin, kind of like a tinted moisturizer-esque. I have a couple different shades out here in front of me. It looks like a couple of these could honestly work for me. So I fair light, light, and light medium. I think I'm going to start with light medium and then I can jump into light if it's a little too dark. So this is what it looks like, just like a little squeezy tube. I'm gonna put this on my skin. Don't really know how much I need. Again, it's supposed to be light coverage, so we're not gonna be getting like full coverage or anything from this, but that's really not the kind of stuff that I wear every single day anyways anymore. Oh, and there's my bra strap, excuse that. And I'm just gonna go in and blend this out. This shade actually looks like it should match me pretty well, so that is a plus. This is definitely like sinking into my skin really easily, which is nice. So it's going to be easy and quick to blend out. I know it does say on here that it has coconut milk and aloe extract. And then the back it does say that it's vegan, formulated without talc, parabens, formaldehyde, phthalates? Probably butchering that one. Mineral oils, sulfates, and fragrance. So it's going to be ingredients that are actually good for your skin. It's not going to be filled with a bunch of stuff that's going to make you break out. And it actually is going to like do some good for your skin, which is great. And definitely is sheer coverage, but it did definitely like even out my skin tone and give me a really nice glow. Like it's a nice dewy kind of glow, but it's not overly like oily. You know what I'm saying? So for every day, I definitely think this is really beautiful. And even though it is a sheer coverage, it is supposed to be long wearing. So check the description box down below. I will update you guys on how it wore on my skin throughout the day. But so far, I do really like it. Feels really nice and comfortable on my skin. It definitely has like a moisturizing feel, which is exactly what I like. I am going to go in with a little bit of concealer just on my under eyes, and I do have some blemishes, so I'm just going to conceal that out. I'm going to jump in with the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and I'm just going to dot this on my under eyes. You guys know normally I go like big, full, like triangle on my under eyes, but since we're doing more lighter look today, I'm just going to kind of go like that. Bring a little bit down my nose just to balance it all out. And that should probably be fine. So I'm just gonna blend that out. And this is a more fuller coverage concealer. So I do think if you need a little bit more coverage, especially like in certain areas, but you don't want like a full coverage all over your face, the Clean Fresh Skin Milk would be great. And then you could pair it with this concealer just to give you that coverage targeted where you need it, which for me is typically just like right around my under eye. So you guys can see that literally made a world of difference on my under eye area just to cover that all up. But I don't need that full coverage all over my face on a daily basis. So these two actually like melt together really well, which I'm happy about. Alright, up next we're going to jump in with a blush. They have these beautiful cream blushes as part of their Clean Fresh collection. So I'm going to swatch them because I'm not sure which one I want to use yet. So this one is 370 Butterflies. So let's put a little bit on. And, ooh, that looks really pretty. I'm going to just blend it out. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. You could like even use that as an eyeshadow. That is beautiful. I don't know what I expected, but that's really pretty. It has like a really pretty sheen to it, and then it can definitely be like blended, you know, in flawlessly, because you guys know I haven't put any powder on my face or anything yet because I wanted to go in with this. Cream products you don't want to put on top of powder products. So typically after I do like my foundation, I'll set with a powder, but I'm not going to be doing that today because I knew we were going to be going in with the cream blushes. So just a little tip for you. You want to only apply cream products on top of other cream products. It's just going to look the most natural that way. The next color is Sweet Innocence. Let me get this off of my fingers though so we don't cross-contaminate. Okay, so we're going to go in with Sweet Innocence now. And these actually have hyaluronic acid in them, which is great. So it's going to help to really like hydrate and plump up your cheeks, which is exactly what we want. Ooh, this one looks really pretty. It's like a nice pink. And these are a completely vegan formula as well, and also formulated without all of that bad stuff. Talc, paraben, formaldehyde, sulfates, mineral, they're all gonna be without that, so you don't have to worry about them on your skin. That is so pretty. I love that pink. Oh my gosh. Okay, I feel like we're gonna end up using that, but I wanna swatch all of them so we can see. The next one is Flushed. This one looks like it has a little bit more of like an orangey undertone, but let's check it out. There it is right there. I'll show you guys me blending it because I feel like that'll really show you how pretty they are. Wow. That one's really nice too. Ooh! And they can definitely like be sheared out to as much as you want, or you can like really pack them on too. So it kind of depends. Oh my gosh, I'm not trying to give you guys the middle finger. Excuse that. But really, really pretty. And then the last one we have is Ripe and Ready. So let me just clean my hand off. We will go in with Ripe and Ready and see. This one is going to be more of like a purpley undertone to it. That is really, really beautiful as well. Very, very pretty. And they all have like a really pretty like light sheen to them. So they are going to give you a little bit of a glow too, which is beautiful. I think that I'm going to go in with Sweet Innocence, the pink one. I like that. I feel like it goes with my shirt. So we're going to go in with that today on our cheeks. So I'm going to first do a little dot and then I'm going to blend it with a sponge. And then on this side, maybe we can blend it with our fingers and like see if there's a difference. I'm just going to go with like that much because I don't want to go in with too much. I feel like that might even be too much. But we're going to blend it with a sponge. Yeah, that was probably too much. So I'm going to bring it over to this side too. You only need a tiny dab of these because they are really, really pigmented. Sometimes cream blushes aren't, so you have to go with a little bit more, but these definitely are like full pigment, so you really only need a little bit. Like as much I used was probably even too much for both of my cheeks, but we're going to blend it out so it'll be fine. But it is blending really, really nicely with the sponge, so that is good. And I'm going to put a little on my nose too, just to give me that little rosy cheek glow, you know. And then I'm just going to go and tap it in with my fingers as well. So it is blending in super easily. Like I said, you only need a little bit because it is definitely really pigmented. So that as much as I use, you could honestly probably use less than that for both of your cheeks and it would be fine. But it's super, super cute and it did blend in super easily, which is nice. Again, not using that powder in between is key. All right, now we have the Clean Fresh Cooling Glow Sticks, which I am so excited to try. So these are highlights. So I'm gonna go in and open these and we can do swatches and then decide which ones we're gonna use. All right, so these guys are supposed to give you a healthy, natural looking glow. There are 4 different shades and they're the same thing. 100% vegan, not formulated with any of those bad ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead and do swatches. It does say that they're cooling, so I'm interested to see what that means. The first one we have is Pink Thrill. And it does say that these can be used on your cheeks, but they can also be used on your eyes, your lips, or wherever you want a little glow. So we'll probably do like highlight on our cheeks, but then I'll use one on my eyes as well, just to give a little sheen to our eyes. So the first one, again, Pink Thrill. Ooh, oh my God, they are really cooling. Wow, that feels really interesting. I like that. You can kind of shear it out with your finger if you want to, or you can leave it like as you put it on. They feel like wet going on. Like obviously they are like a cream product, but it has a really interesting feel to it. I like that a lot. Like nice and fresh on the skin. So this is Opal Dreams, the next one. So this one looks like it has a little bit more of like a purpley undertone. Ooh, love that. Oh my gosh, and they feel really nice. Then we have So Glitzy. Go in right here with this. Ooh, I love that one, that gold. Okay, I feel like I need to do that one on my cheeks. That is so, so pretty. You guys know I love a gold highlight, okay? I can't hide it. And then the last one we have is Transparent. Maybe this one is gonna be like a sheer. Yeah, oh, that's interesting. So it's like very, very sheer, but it gives a very subtle glow. Like I don't even know if it'll show up on camera. Oh my gosh, my patchy self-tan, please don't look at that. But like in real life, it almost looks like a balm, sort of like just a very natural, very subtle glow, which is actually really, really cool. I like that a lot. You could definitely use that like on your lips as like a little lip balm sort of situation. Maybe I'll put some on right now. It feels so cooling, like it's actually a really cool feel. But you can just add that on to your lips as like a little balm. They do have tinted lip oils in this collection, so we are gonna go in with that on my lips, but these can be used lips, face, eyes, wherever you wanna put them. All right, so I'm gonna go with So Glitzy, which is the more gold one on my cheeks. And I'm just gonna tap this on with my finger. So I'm just gonna put some on my finger and then tap it on my cheeks, just to add a nice, subtle, like everyday sort of glow. And it melts really easily into that blush too. So just kind of gonna blend them together and just tap. So pretty, love that. I feel like this like no makeup sort of makeup look is going to be a really big trend in 2020. Let me know what you guys think down below, but I feel like I've seen so much about like the no makeup look and like fresh, clean, like lightweight sort of beauty products. So let me know your thoughts down below. Like, are you here for it? Do you like more of a full face? Like for me, I of course love a full face, you guys know that, but there's like a time and place I feel like for everything where I love this like beautiful fresh face looks too. So I am excited about both. But that is so, so pretty. It's like the most subtle little pop of glow, but it's really, really pretty. And I'm gonna put some on my nose as well, just so we're glowing all over. because whenever I think fresh face, I do kind of think like dewy glow. I like associate them together, where you could definitely do fresh face with matte too, but for myself, I always associate like a little dewiness and glow with fresh face looks. On my eyes, I'm gonna go in with Opal Dreams, which is the more like pinky toned one. And I'm just gonna pack that on with a brush just to give us like a little glow on our eyelids. So, so pretty. And it's nice that this product is like multi-use too. So you could use this again, cheeks, lips, eyes, wherever. And it's super compact too. So you could definitely throw this in your purse and then have it with you if you need a little touch up throughout the day, whatever you need. I'm gonna bring a little in the inner corners too. To finish off my eyes, I'm gonna just pop in with the CoverGirl Lashblast Volume. This is like a cult favorite from CoverGirl. I've used this so many times. It packs a ton of volume and length onto your lashes. So I'm gonna go in with this and just coat my lashes with it. It's just so we have a little something on our lashes. This is not part of like the Clean Fresh collection, but I feel like I need a little mascara, you know, just to make those eyes pop a little bit more. So I'm just gonna go in and coat my lashes with this. One thing that I have always loved about this mascara is no matter how much volume it gives you, it doesn't clump or flake, which is really nice because so many drugstore like volumizing mascaras can get really clumpy, where this one actually doesn't, which is one of my favorite parts about it. All right, so that just gave me that little extra boost that I needed on my lashes. Last but not least, we're gonna jump into the tinted lip oils. These look really, really pretty. I'm really excited. These are CVS exclusive, so you guys can find these at CVS. There's 6 different shades, 100% vegan, and they're supposed to give you just like a little tint to your lips. So I'm gonna swatch them first and then we'll decide which one we wanna use. So the first one is Bad Apple. Put it right here for you guys. Very pretty, almost like a hot sort of pink. It's called Bad Apple, so it kind of makes you think red, but it's not. It's like a hot kind of pink color. Ooh. And it smells beautiful. Ooh, I really like that. So these ones do have fragrance, but they don't have the talc, the formaldehyde, the mineral oil, all of those other things. Next we have Sour Grapes. It's like a purpley shade right there. Then we have Fresh Squeezed. I think this one is gonna be like a, yeah, that's really pretty. Like almost like a grapefruit kind of color. I like that one. Then Swipe Ripe. These are the cutest names. Another pretty pink. This one's a little bit of a deeper pink shade. Then we have Quench, nice light pink. And then last but not least, we do have Transparent, which is obviously just gonna be no color, just kind of like a clear lip oil. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Fresh Squeezed and just pop this on my lips. So, so pretty and smells so good. And what's nice about these is that they're not sticky at all, because sometimes lip oils can be like a little sticky. These are not sticky whatsoever at all. They just feel really nice and like silky on the lips. So I do really like that. And they do feel nice and moisturizing. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Quench, which is that lighter pink shade on top. And just layer them up a little bit. They give like a nice high shine kind of finish. So I really, really like this. It almost looks like your lips, but like a little bit better, like a little bit elevated. So I do really, really love that. I love this fresh look, honestly. I'm living for it. Like I said, I think it's definitely gonna be like a trend coming into 2020. So definitely let me know your thoughts down below. But for a beautiful everyday fresh look, I think this is so perfect. And I think CoverGirl definitely killed it on this line. I really, really like it. So definitely let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys liked this little quick, easy, everyday slay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will have all the products linked down below, of course, as always, so check the description box if you guys want to shop, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!